Good morning everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living live session. Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock is the time now. We are into 45 minutes into the trade and you can see the Nifty after yesterday's very good opening and very good up movement. Yesterday itself it had shown signs of giving up, and today morning it has not wasted any much time. This is the third candle going on and all three candles are in big red. So we opened at 18,180 levels, and very soon within the first 45 minutes of trade we have come to 18,042. This is the status of Nifty today. Yesterday we saw Nifty going up to 18,228. Looked like the pullback will continue for few more days. Monday morning, week beginning. So there was some expectations that it might start doing well, but yesterday itself we could see there was some amount of selling pressure coming from the top, and here we are now with about more than 120 points in the red. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, opened at 42,700 and within no time, within 45 minutes is now trading at around 42,320. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. We will look into some of the sectors. Let us see what's happening in Hind Petro. No different. Opens at 250, now trading at 245. It had made a recent high at 252. From there on it has been showing more of red candles and more of downward push. This is the chart of BPCL. Is in the uptrend but might actually start giving the reversal signals from here on. Today opened at 350, currently trading at 347. The nearest sell level is at 341. This is the chart for you of GAIL. You could see day before yesterday there was some good up movement. After that it has been in the sideways range, and today might actually go higher, or if it crosses 98.20 then you are heading towards 97. IOC already entering into the first sell signal at 80. So all sectors are actually looking weak. On the higher side there are some buying which might emerge if at all, if the markets starts going higher. This is the chart of ONGC, made a high of 150 and now trading towards the day's high. Let us look into some of the steel stocks. Jindal Steel opened at 610, currently trading at 605. This is a beautiful pattern of breakout at 610 is a buying, breakdown at 603 is the selling, and again support at 596. So these kind of charts are very interesting to trade. If it goes higher you can comfortably buy. If it breaks down then you can do a sell trade for a short duration of the nearby support at 596. So this is Jindal Steel. This is JSW Steel, currently trading at 746. Has been in the kind of uneven movement. You could see on Thursday it was a completely down day. This was a Friday, completely down day, and yesterday was kind of okay, and today not much movement. Sale, yes, again some kind of selling might come at 88, but if it crosses 89 you can comfortably buy it. Tata Steel, breakout buy at 120, or if it comes to the support of 116 is also a buy, but if it breaks the next reversal level at 115, then it can go up to maybe 110. So this is the chart of Tata Steel on the intraday. This is Dabur, extremely weak. It is in the downtrend, and while yesterday markets were doing good, also this stock didn't do anything much, and today also it is in the sideways movement. This is Dabur, not much trade emerging there, far off trades available, but for now there is nothing much happening in this particular stock, so you can comfortably stay out of this. Godrej Consumer Products made a low of 904, currently trading at 908. If it once again comes down to 904, then you can go ahead and buy the stock. It is currently in the downtrend, might reverse at 904. Hindustan Lever, good chart to trade. It's been moving consistently higher in the last few days. You can see here Hindustan Lever is in the good uptrend, currently quoting at 26.35, has opened at around 26.22 and is trading higher now. Hindustan Lever, good chart to trade on the intraday. Let us see the weekly chart for this. Weekly, on the weekly time frame also, this stock is actually doing well. It is in the pullback mode. It had come down from 2700 to 2538, the recent low. From there on, the pullback has started, and in the last 2 weeks it has been gaining well and currently trading at around 2634 levels. On the daily chart also the pullback is happening. You can see on the daily chart it had peaked at 2756 around, I would say, 9th of December. From 9th of December's top of 2756 had fallen up to 2540 during 4th of January, and whole of last week it has been in a very good up move. You could see Friday, Thursday and Wednesday was a good day, and today is also no different. Hindustan Lever pullback story, you can trade for little longer on the long side. This is the chart of ITC on the daily scale, trading currently at 335. On an intraday chart, it is coming down to the support levels of 334.30. If you find ITC trading around 334.30, you can go long and it might close in the positive territory. Jubilant Food quoting at 498 now, looks little uneven, not much volumes, not much price action. Marico Industries, not much price actions for the last 2 days, very small candles. If you want to really trade only above 521. Tata Consumers, not much volumes, not much price action, but looks like there is some amount of breakout happening. It is trying to cross the zone of 773. So in case you see Tata Consumers around 773 or 774, you can buy it. It is hitting the buy levels 773.20. This stock can be watched for intraday, can be watched even for ET and DT time frame. ET and DT is nothing but enter today and exit tomorrow. So if you want to hold on to any particular stock for say 1 day, you may want to buy towards the end of the day or whenever the breakout happens, and then if you want to hold on till next day, then you can trade in the 30 minutes time frame, wherein minimum holding period will be for 2 days from the date of entry, 2 days. So this stock, if you have to see on the ET and DT time frame, then Tata Consumers, the next buying is available only up to 782. So another 10 rupees more, you will enter into the buy zone of this particular range also. Tata Consumers looks very good for buying on the long side. On the intraday scale, this is the Tata Consumers chart on the hourly time frame. From the highs of 784, it had come down to 760. From there on, it has started the pullback. Maybe if it crosses 784 again, it might again enter into some kind of a buying zone on the hourly candles. On the weekly candle, if you see, on the weekly candle, it is the next buying happens to be at 782. 782 happens to be the buy for the weekly time frame as well as ET and ET time frame. So this stock can be on your screen. Definitely there is some good buying that might emerge in this particular stock. Let's move on to the Titan. Not much happening there. On the intraday time frame as well, it is in the sideways movement. Voltas quoting currently at 817. At the highs of 826, you can go ahead and buy. At the lows of 810, there is a sell. Bata India has crossed the resistance of 1654. By the end of the day, it might again go above 1654. Be long in the stock, do not short it. Even if it comes down to 1632 levels, again it is a buy. So this is a stock which is more of having buying strength than selling weakness. So this is emerging into a good trade. Bata India, if you want to really trade something on the long side on a day when Nifty and Bank Nifty are trading weak, then these are the kind of stocks. Tata Consumers and Bata India are the kind of stocks that you can trade for intraday time frame as well. This is Asian Paint, is weak and now trying to recover. Looks like markets are making some amount of pullback. Yeah, I was right, like, you know, from the highs of 178 to the lows of 18,018, and now we are at 18,056. Let us see banking stocks quickly before we wind up the session for the day. Well, quite a dull day for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. It is currently quoting at 42,350. From the highs of 42,774, it had reached up to the levels of 42,283. From there on, the pullback attempt is going on. 42,360. Where is the next buy or sell entry? As of now, the sell entry is quite far off at 42,052. In case any revised buy or sell entry comes, we will definitely update on our Twitter handle or on our Instagram channels. So do subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter handles. You can follow us for more updates. If you want to really make some serious trades, then you can join for Trading for Living program bootcamp, which is for a 1 week bootcamp, and after that we will handhold you for your trading journey. Hope you are liking the content. If you are liking the content, do share with your peer traders. We will once again meet tomorrow morning. Until then, Om Swasti.